Have you ever experienced a sudden change in your health that affected your personal life? Imagine being a 38-year-old individual in a loving relationship with your partner for nearly 4 years and having to manage type 2 diabetes for 5 years. The daily routine involves administering insulin 5 times and taking medication for severe neuropathy experienced over the last 3.5 years. Now add to this cocktail tablets to lower blood pressure. 2 years into this medical journey, a new challenge arises: problems with maintaining an erection. The desire remains unscathed, but the physical manifestation seems to have hit a roadblock. This was an uncharted territory, a surprise. An active and satisfying sex life had always been a part of this relationship. So when the ability to perform penetratively started to falter, questions arose. Questions about attraction, fidelity, and the essence of the relationship itself. Yet through a process of elimination, it became clear that the problem was not emotional, but mechanical in nature. Though this issue did affect the sexual relationship, it didn't cause detrimental damage. The partner was understanding and open to other forms of stimulation. The strength of the relationship was in its communication, the ability to discuss this problem without inhibitions, and the reassurance that it was not about attraction but a complication of diabetes. Being able to discuss this issue freely with the diabetes team was a relief. When the time came for the next doctor's appointment, the GP was informed about the erectile problems. The response was an understanding nod and a list of drug options. The choice fell on Cialis. Adapting to the tablets was a quick process. Taken half an hour before anticipated sexual activity, they served as a comforting backup. More than half the time they were not needed, but knowing they were there was reassuring. The tablets, effective for about 36 hours, were welcomed by the partner, who preferred attempts without them but had no real issue when they were necessary. With no side effects and a slight adjustment to spontaneity, the sex life of this couple remained as active and healthy as ever. The journey, though fraught with health challenges, led to a stronger bond and an understanding that health issues are not insurmountable obstacles, but just bumps in the road of life.